Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can make our Power BI report page into a scrollable one. So I will select my page. For example, I'll select this paragraph one. In the visualization, I will go to format your report page. In the canvas setting, I will change the type to custom and I will change the height of this report to, for example, 2000. So I will just increase this height. Now I will go to view and I will change the page view to actual size. Now you can see that it has become a scrolling report. Let me just move my graphs around. I will select this and bring it here, and I will select this and bring it. I'm just and bring it here. I will also change going back here. I will also change the width. Not here. I will select the page and I will change the width to 800. Now this is what my report will look like once I publish it, and it will be a scrollable report. You can change the size of your graphs. As you can see that they are quite big here, but you can change the size of your graph accordingly. Let me just go and save this and publish my report. Let's select my workspace. Now it has been published. I will go and see my report. Now here you can see that my report is now a scrollable one. You can change the graphs like I said, and you can modify it how you want it. I hope this helped, and do keep watching for more. Thank you guys.